Okay. Next one is how to connect to Google Analytics. Google Analytics. What is Google Analytics? Anybody has any idea? What is Google Analytics? So Google Analytics is also, right? So it's the Google's product. Okay, it's a Google service. Instead of saying product, it's a service. Okay. With Google Analytics service, what can we? It's a web analytics service. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money. For example, you are owning a website. You wanted to analyze or you want to get you want to perform some analytics about the users behavior or so. Okay, so in that kind of situation you can use Google Analytics. What it does is it goes and checks, right, basically it tracks and reports your website traffic, how many number of users access to my website. Okay, all the things you can see it, and it gives you the insight into how visitors find and use your website, how the users are, accessing your products that you displayed in your website using mobile phone or browser or tablet, and with that you can perform some kind of audience analysis. Okay, and also it gives you the demographics information, behavioral information about your website visitors, whether the users visited your product in your website from USA or India or Australia, right? So that demographic information you will get to know. And also it gives you something like, how the visitors arrive at your website, right? Like using search engine or referral links or direct traffic. So these are the, information you can get to know once you enable Google Analytics to your website. Okay. I just go to the Google Analytics. I just show you here. Let me just go to the Power BI desktop directly. And I just click on the get data, and here I don't see Google Analytics. I just hit the more button. Sorry, more thing there, and then the option more. And here I just type Google Analytics. Is that available? Yeah, it is available. Good. I just click on it. So already I have enabled the Google Analytics to our website. Okay. Connecting to a third-party service, click on continue. And I just use, we'll use beta. Let's wait for some time. It has to connect to our website. Wait for some time. Okay, first time what will happen is it will ask you your, your Google username and password. See, for example, I just write it here. See, you have something like, see, let's say you have a website. Let's assume that you have e-commerce website. You launched your website. The customers come and buy the product, and they some not all the customers visit your website they are supposed to buy, right? Some customers they buy, some customers they did not buy, and let's some customers they purchase from you. Everything is fine, and there is something called Google Analytics. Okay, so you go and sign up there with your email ID. And there you need to specify your website URL. Okay. So and your website URL, that's all. And then you need to enable some option. What will happen is it will start capturing behind the scene. It start capturing, how many users visited your website, from which location they accessed it, and now whether the users accessed your website. For example, you have listed some mobile phone your website. Okay, some Samsung mobile or something like. How many users access the product, and using mobile phone did they access it, or how many number of people access this product from their tablet or laptop. All the information, again, which location they access it, all those information you will get to know. And on top, right, so which product, which all the products accessed more frequently by the users, that also you will get to know that. Look here, I have a, we have a website called Snap It. Look here, I just expand this one by clicking on it, and it shows again Snap It, and let me wait for some time. Nigger, it shows snap it. Okay, I don't know. If it is going to open the table. Yeah, the tables. Okay, all these tables, I did not create it. These are the tables by default created automatically by the Google to capture the website performance. Okay, about my website is snapit.in. So so once you subscribe your website with the Google Analytics, it creates all the tables. Supposing you have your own e-commerce website, and to capture what is happening behind the scene, right? So you can also create an account in Google Analytics site, and then you can attach your website to that one, okay, by specifying the URL of your website. So that's all, okay, and it will start capture, the day one, right? You attach your website with the Google Analytics, it start capture how many clicks happen, how many users visited which product, all the things. For example, if I select gross item revenue or first time purchase rate, something like that, okay, you just and then items viewed. So look here, right, which products customers viewed in my website, and items purchased. What I'll do is instead of selecting multiple thing, I just select items viewed and items viewed and clicked in list. Viewing the items are not sufficient. Let's you have given an the advertisement also. How many users clicked on that advertisement, right? You can check that one. So likewise, you have a lot of tables here. What are the tables that you needed, you can use it. But here, it is not showing much information. I just go and select it here. Item, refund, first time, cohort, advertiser, ad, cost. Okay, here I just check impression, anything like impression, organic Google search impression. I just select this one. So your advertiser ad impression. So let's say you have errors of the record not found. How many number of websites, right? Let's say you want to buy some mobile phone, you search in the Google. So what happens is it will show your mobile phone URL, for the users. Okay, let me do one thing. Items viewed. One items clicked in promotion, purchase revenue. Yeah, sessions per user. Okay, total users. It is showing up to the moment, right? So how many users currently logged in, all the thing it will show you here. And here I just go something else and what we do is we check the impressions. I think they are doing some thing there. Okay, the impression is not working. Clicks, we will see the clicks, number of advertiser ad clicks, organic Google search clicks, and we will see what is happening here. Even it gives me an error. Anyhow, you will get to know over the period of time which all tables that you will have access all the things. Select the appropriate tables, right? And then you load it. That's all. So here I just show you the Google Analytics site. Okay, how you need to access it. Google Analytics. Analytics.google.com. Okay, analytics.google.com. And here you the course shift. Let's wait for some time. This is what your analytics.google.com. Already I have integrated our website here. Here it is it is called, look here, yeah, now it is doing the, all the analytics got in, number of users, how many new users, all the things. And last 30 minutes, right, all the things, and views by page title. And here you can see, the issues in your searching, all the things, organic search, and you can see a lot of things here. Okay, reports. When you click on reports, new users 64, the total users 73, average engagement time, how much time they spent in my website, what is the total revenue. Revenue we need to enter it. And here you can see the, direct, how many people they came here, organic search, referral, all the things you can see it here. And you can see the engagement overview. So likewise, the Google Analytics give you all the information here. Okay, like what is the average engagement time and the engaged sessions per user, okay, 1.8, and the views, right, 1.5K views. How many number of views happened in total. And look here, the mobile and accessory archives, right? So 434 views happen, in which products, right? And what all the things happen. 434 views happen, 313 views happen, and pages and screens. When you click on it, you can see this one. See, you do not know, once you get into a project, you do not know what project they will assign you. Let's say, they are using Google Analytics. And in the case of Google Analytics, they want you to create some report, do some analysis, create the reports on your own. Or if they ask you to create specific reports, at least you should know how to connect there, how to, where to view what. So user engagement, page view, and scroll and sessions, a lot of information it gives. Okay. And page view 47, user engagement, it is falling down. Again, day wise, it gives you, okay, all the things. That is what, I was trying to find out here, the events, item list, click events. It gives me some tables, right? It gives you error. You need to select the, please remove to make the request compatible. For example, okay, invalid. Okay, I just, remove all the things. Okay, this one, right? This data is there. I'll just hit load for the sake of, seeing that how we can load the specific table. Select the specific table. See, before that, you load the data, whether that table has data in it or not. And all the required tables, you load it here. And now let us see whether that simple table got loaded here. Yes, it got loaded from Snap It. Look here, you can see that, these are the columns, and model view, Snap It is available. And here you can see only one data, right? So only one record. So items viewed one, sessions per user one, total users one, something like that. And then in addition to that, you can, so what you do is you search the data model for Google Analytics. Okay. So that you will get to know which tables are linked with which table. By knowing that, what you can do is items viewed, which items that viewed, okay, product name, right? So you give me the breakdown of the items viewed by product, sessions per user, everything that you can do it. This is a simple example how to connect to Google Analytics and how to select the tables and load the tables in your Power BI desktop. Okay. Any questions? Yes. See, question from Preeti is, why should I know about Google Analytics, sir? Google Analytics, first of all, you should know what is Google Analytics, right? That is what I explained to you a while back. It's web analytics service provided by Google, and it is absolutely free. But you need to own your own website. It's when you have your own website, you want to see how many number of visitors they are, basically to understand about your website performance. Okay, website performance and user behavior, demographics of the user, all the things you will get to know that. Okay. So with that, you can make some decisions at which demographics customers are coming more. Let's say in India, I'm getting more number of customers. Very good. Are they accessing it from website? Sorry, the desktop. Are they accessing my website using their mobile phone? Yes, they are accessing my website from their mobile phone. So this one will give me an idea about more number of users are accessing my website using their mobile phone. Hence, why don't we create a mobile app so that the users can download the app, they can order the product using their app, right? So likewise, right, you can, and also, which products you are selling more, which products are the customers visited in the recent days more frequently. Okay, so more frequently my customers are visiting the rice product. Okay, so that's what we have seen it, the rice product and some other medical equipment and other things. Okay, so by knowing that, you will get know these are the products, more customers are expected by. Probably we can buy and keep it in our inventory. So whenever we get whenever the customer check out, we'll be able to deliver it in a pretty fast manner. For example, you have listed almost 500K products in your website. You cannot keep all the 500K products in your warehouse like Zepto, how they do it, right? You know Zepto, right? Zepto is also a quick commerce thing. So in that case, right, let's say versus startup, what you can do is, you will get an idea on which products customers are visiting more frequently. So if you stock up, those product alone, so it will be cost efficient for you, right? So that kind of analytics you can do it with Google Analytics. And so when first time when you connect it, it will ask you the username and password for the Google Analytics, the Google Gmail password, okay, username and password, not the official thing and all, okay. But you need to first create a Google Analytics account by signing up with their website, and then you need to attach your website URL. That's all, guys.